Hi guys, it's Tash again. So I'm here to talk about one of our best sellers, Ultimate 12-in-1 treatment. Absolutely incredible and smells so good. So with the 12-in-1 guys, not only is this perfect for somebody that's got fine limp hair that doesn't like using a conditioner, but this is for absolutely every single person that after they've shampooed and conditioned, to put this in as a blow drying lotion as well. So not only is this a blow drying lotion, but it's a treatment. Treats the hair, it's got 12 benefits. It's absolutely incredible. It will help with split ends, give your hair a healthy shine, look after your color. It's one of our best sellers in our Biosense range. This is a must-have in your cupboard, a must-have. Right, it's joined with a family of a shampoo and a mask. So guys, you only need a pea size like that. That's enough. Put this on wet hair or towel dried hair and blow dry this in. Won't weigh your hair down at all. Enjoy.